Hello, this is lesson number two of our CAT series, and this also deals with the delays in marriage. In our previous lesson number one, we told you about the delay given by Jupiter when it is placed in Libra, whether in the natal or in the Navamsa chart, and it gives a delay of 24 years and 6 months. Any marriage within this age is unhappy, sorrowful, and the after this lapse of 24 years and 6 months, there is no affliction for it. The special feature of this Jupiter in Libra delay is that this cannot be cancelled. The second lesson will be dealing with the delay of Jupiter for the marriage. This is different from Jupiter in Libra. This delay is caused by the relationship of Jupiter with the second and the seventh house in the natal chart, as well as the Navamsa chart and the lords of the natal chart. The Navamsa lords of the second and seventh house are not considered. Again, I repeat, this delay is caused by the relationship of Jupiter with the second and seventh house in the natal chart, as well as the Navamsa chart and the lords of the natal chart. The Navamsa lords of 2 and 7 houses are not considered. Jupiter respects one of the two, second or seventh house, and respects the lord of the other house. Jupiter placed in the second or seventh house and expects the lord of the other house. The third is Jupiter placed with the lords of the second or the seventh house. Fourth is Jupiter is placed with one of the lords of the second or seventh house and affects the other house or its lord. And the fifth is Jupiter is lord of either the second or the seventh house and expects the other house or its lord. The Navamsa chart has equal strength and treated equally for finding delay, except that the lords of the Navamsa second and the seventh house are not considered. When these conditions are met, Jupiter gives a delay for marriage until a natal is 24 years and 6 months old. That means 2 rounds of Jupiter. However, this delay will be about 26 years if it is also given by Jupiter in Libra in the same horoscope. If Saturn also gives delay for marriage in the same chart, then we will add about 6 years after the end of the Saturn delay. If Jupiter as well as delay by Jupiter in Libra is present in the same chart, however, we will add only 5 years if only one of the delays present. We will be dealing with the Saturn delay after this lesson. People do get married within the delay periods, but such marriages are unhappy, sorrowful and short-term, which end up by desertion, separation without fulfilling formalities of law, separation due to mental or physical health, divorce, or death of spouse. Now we will take a few example charts. In this chart, you will see that Jupiter is placed in the sixth house. Now from sixth house, it expects the second house, and as I told earlier, it has to be a relationship with the second and the seventh house, and here it expects also the lord of the seventh house. So these conditions are met, and this means that this person has a delay for marriage till the age of 24 years and 6 months. Now we will take a few more examples. In this chart, again, we see Jupiter is placed in the 11th house and it expects the 7th house. And now, and itself, it is a lord of the second house. So in this chart also, the conditions are met. And now in the third chart, Jupiter is placed in the 9th house. When we see from here, Jupiter is lord of the second house and it expects Venus the Lord of the seventh house. In these two charts also, the conditions have been fulfilled, and the person will face a delay for marriage of 24 years and 6 months. Now, in the third chart, Jupiter is placed in now in the third Jupiter is placed in the second house, so the condition of second house are met, and now as far as seventh house is concerned, it is placed with the Lord of the seventh house. So this too fulfills the condition, and the person will face a delay in marriage till the age of 24 years and 6 months. Now we take another chart. In this, Jupiter is placed in the seventh house, so this condition is met. And now we have to check out whether it has any relationship with the second house. So in the Navamsa chart, it is placed with the Lord of the second house. Now in this chart, you see it is also placed in Libra. That means the delay will be 24 years, 6 months plus another 1.5 years. That will be 26 years will be the delay because two delays of Jupiter are present. So we move on to the next chart. In this chart, we see Jupiter is placed in this chart we see that Jupiter is placed in the 8th house. From here, it expects Sun, the Lord of the second house. It expects Saturn, the Lord of the seventh house. So in this case also, the conditions are met, and the person will face a delay of 24 years and 6 months. So these were the charts which we have discussed, and hopefully next time we will discuss the charts of dealing with the Saturn delay. So that is all for now. Thank you. Goodbye.